What's going on, guys? On my way to work today, and I got the Loud Bicycle Mini with me. So I did a video last night and I forgot, well, I plugged in the microphone but it didn't register for some reason. So I'm out here trying to get a good video done, but I got some great reactions using the Loud Bike Mini, man. Like, this thing is pretty cool. And it's very loud too, that's the thing. Loud and sounds like a car horn. So I pretty much got like no decent audio from that video from last night. So I thought, hey, why not use the Loud Bike on a commuting ride? Only makes sense, right? So I'm watching the Tour de France. Today's stage, I think it's 6, can't remember. And Sagan got disqualified for practically racing. Ain't that some BS? I mean, it's so stupid that he got disqualified. Why don't you tell the guys, don't race each other, just pat each other on the back when you're coming to the sprint finish, and don't go 45 miles an hour because that's too fast. Let's see if Chris Froome gets disqualified for riding up the hill too fast, you know? It's real silly, man. I'm real disappointed. I don't know why or who made that final call on disqualifying Sagan, but they got it wrong. Like everyone is passing me today, jeez. I don't know, I mean, just kind of cruising today. Traffic ain't too bad, so you know, no need to rush. People want to pass, it's fine. There we go, get in the draft. And the light is yellow. Would have been good to kept the speed. Let's see if we could get this light up here. Doing 22 miles an hour right now. Fuck. They paid me for a show, but I ain't even appear. Dickhead. Alright, we're gonna have to take the outside. Whoa, that was close, man. Jeez. Yeah, that bus driver was like, yo, I'm taking this turn wide. I don't give a F. thank you.
The movies are cool, right?
Yeah.
Does it stay steady?
Yeah, I mean, the roads are rough, so,
Yeah.
you know.
You want to use your head to hammer stuff?
Yeah. We're gonna just keep in the bike lane. Oh, by the way, that guy liked my camera. Not sure if you heard that. Yeah, I guess we gotta go into the bike lane here. You can feel moisture, man. Moisture is coming. And my girlfriend was like, no, you don't ride to work today. Yeah, I'll go out too. Ah, fuck, missed it. Ooh, that could have been dangerous. All right, here we go. Got to get to that right side. Oh, not too hard today. Not hard at all. Oh, let's go, 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 go. You guys are on the wrong fucking side of the road. Still don't know what that's about. $8:36. Wow, I can't believe it's that early. Maybe it's a good thing because rain is on its way. It should start raining about 9. All right, guys. Well, I'm at work now. Definitely, we'll talk to you guys later. And keep coming back for more videos with this loud horn. This horn is really nice. I like it. Oh shit. He's wondering if that's a horn. No, it's the loud bike. going on, guys? On my way to work today, and I got the Loud Bicycle Mini with me. So I did a video last night and I forgot, well, I plugged in the microphone but it didn't register for some reason. So I'm out here trying to get a good video done, but I got some great reaction using the Loud Bike Mini, man. Like, this thing is pretty cool.